Today I will be launching a Solana meme coin. Pop, 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 come on, bro, I need my new card, bro, come on. Okay, 3, 2, 1, and boom, get fucking rocked. And if I check my profits in 3, 2, 1, oh, that's so much money! Yo, what's going on, guys? Today I will be launching a meme coin live on camera and making a lot of fucking money. And no, I do not trade meme coins. Actually, I do the complete opposite. I launch them. For example, if I go on a quick coin real quick, boom. All we do, okay, is we find a good narrative online to make a coin on, okay? We create a coin, we launch it, we wait for buyers to buy in, and when the market cap is really high and we want to take our profits out, we simply just remove the liquidity and we get away with thousands and thousands of dollars. And the best part about what this strategy offers is that you have nothing to lose, and all you have to do is wait for buyers, and at the perfect fucking time, you print fucking a lot of money. Now also, bro, this strategy is 100% fully repeatable. You can do this over and over again until you have a shit ton of money. So if you're actually interested in making a lot of money and you want to change your financial state, right, make sure to keep watching because, yeah. Now, launching coins is a simple 3-step guide. The first step is to find a good idea. So this is actually the narrative behind your coin. It can be literally anything. War, Elon Musk, Trump, Los Angeles with all the riots. Just anything, bro. Anything with a good... Just anything, okay? Just anything. The second step is to actually create the coin and launch it, right? And the third step is to make a shit ton of money by dumping the coin. Okay? Now, let's get right into it. Now, the first step is to actually find a good narrative. I usually go on Twitter because on Twitter you can find literally anything and people will buy anything that is related to a popular tweet. So, for example, here, there's bombs going down on the city, and since the war is trending, this could be a good narrative to make a coin upon. Okay, a Chinese, I don't know what is going on. Okay, I think I'm gonna make a coin based off of this Navy ship because it's a new Chinese electronic intelligence ships, okay? It has 1.8 million views. I think this could print a lot of money. So I'm gonna open my screenshot tool to make the PFP of the coin. Boom, screenshot that bitch, save it inside your PC. And now you have the PFP of your coin, and now it's time to create the coin. So you want to head over to CreateTokens.fun because here is where you will launch and create your own coin for completely free. Okay, connect your wallet and add a bit of Solana because you will need a bit of Sol in your wallet. You will see why. After that, click on the create coin feature right here, and now we will make our coin from scratch. So put the screenshot in, token name, I'm gonna call it Chinese Navy ship, token symbol CNS. This is actually just put the abbreviations of every fucking word in the name. And then next, token decimals, keep that to 9, supply, keep it to 1 billion coins. And for the description, I would highly recommend to just copy paste the captions of the tweet and then put it here. For the socials, just copy paste the link for the tweet, put it here. And since we are making a coin based off of news and a tweet, we won't need to put a Discord, Telegram, or website. It's completely useless. People are gonna scroll on memescope right here, and they're gonna look on the tweet, and once they see this, they are gonna buy in because it is a good narrative. And yeah, oh yeah, I forgot to say, the reason why you have to be launching coins on CreateTokens.fun, well, first of all, because everybody uses CreateTokens.fun, and the second reason why you have to be using this website is because all the coins are going to be listed on the Raydium DEX, which will be immediately graduated, and you will get millions of views. Okay, so yeah. Now for the modified creator information, keep that off. And for the authority settings, I would highly recommend, well, you have to put these all selected, okay? So do not touch them. You have to keep this all selected. It will cost a little fee, but you are getting that money back after you remove the liquidity, and who knows, you could get lucky and fucking dump a coin for like $10,000 in profit. Okay, and now it's time to launch a coin. So make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and watch the next video because I will be launching this coin in the next video. So bye.